Now we are discussing about small business. In that today we are discussing about fence installations. Experience is also required for fence installations and training. A licensing may be needed. Fences are everywhere and they don't last forever, so they need to be repaired and replaced with a certain amount of frequency. The most common fence material is wood. However, vinyl has come a popular fence choice due to its longevity and relative freedom from maintenance. Wrought iron is another common fencing, especially in urban and rural environments. You can have fun shopping for vintage iron fencing, wrought iron fencing at salvage yards, especially for homelands and gardens. All these are also iron fencing is most important, because not only for other persons, but buffaloes will come and all these will come and disturb the garden also. So that iron fencing will give some safeguard to you. So strong iron fencing is also important. So it is a very good business and very good service also. So you can contact them and get it done very well, and it will be peaceful to you. Wishing you all the best.